Hello children, today I will explain exercise 8.2 of chapter 8 decimals. Question number 1. Complete the table with the help of these boxes and use decimals to write the number. As we know that decimal number consists of two parts, first whole number part, second decimal part. In first part we don't have any figure which is fully shaded, and this figure is partially shaded in which two columns are fully shaded. So we write 2 at 10th. Third column is partially shaded in which 6 boxes are shaded. So we will write 6 at 100 place and the number is 0.26. B part. In B part, first box is fully shaded, so we will consider as whole number and we write 1 at 1 place. Second box is partially shaded in which 3 rows are fully shaded, so we will write 3 at 10th place, and fourth row is partially shaded in which 8 boxes are shaded, so we will write 8 at 100th place, so we will get 1.38 as a number. Children, C part is similar to our previous two parts, so I am giving you as a homework, try to understand. Question number 2. Write the numbers given in the following place value table in decimal form. In this question, we have to convert this place value table into decimal form. Firstly, we have given position values and face values. 100, 10, 1, 1 upon 10, 1 upon 100, 1 upon 1000 represents as position value. 003250 represents as face value, and we know that place value of a digit is equals to position value into face value. So we will write here first part 0 multiply 100 plus 0 multiply 10 plus 3 multiply 1 plus 2 multiply 1 upon 10 plus 5 multiply 1 upon 100 plus 0 multiply 1 upon 1000. Zero multiply 100 is equals to 0 plus 0 multiply 10 is equals to 0 plus 3 multiply 1 is equals to 3 plus 2 multiply 1 upon 10 is 2 upon 10 plus 5 multiply 1 upon 100 is equals to 5 upon 100 plus 0 multiply 1 upon 1000 equals to 0. Now 3 plus 2 upon 10 is 0.2 plus 5 upon 100 is 0.05, because in denominator we have 20 and in numerator we have only one digit. So firstly we will form two digit after the decimal after adding 0 plus 0. Now it will become 3.25 and it is our answer. B part. Firstly, we will multiply position value with face value. So we will write here 1 multiply 100 plus 0 multiply 10 plus 2 multiply 1 plus 6 multiply 1 upon 10 plus 3 multiply 1 upon 100 plus 0 multiply 1 upon 1000. In next step we will write 1 multiply 100 100 plus 0 multiply 10 0 plus 2 multiply 1 2 plus 6 multiply 1 upon 10 6 upon 10 plus 3 multiply 1 upon 100 3 upon 100 plus 0 multiply 1 upon 1000 is 0. Now 102 plus 6 upon 10 is 0.6 plus 3 upon 100 is 0.03. So answer will be 102.63. C part. Firstly we will multiply position value with face value. So we will write 0 multiply 100 plus 3 multiply 10 plus 0 multiply 1 plus 0 multiply 1 upon 10 plus 2 multiply 1 upon 100 plus 5 multiply 1 upon 1000. Now we will write 0 multiply 100 0 plus 3 multiply 10 30 plus 0 multiply 1 0 plus 0 multiply 1 upon 10 0 plus 2 upon 100 is 2 upon 100 plus 5 multiply 1 upon 1000 is 5 upon 1000. In next step we will write 30 plus 2 upon 100 is 0.02 plus and 5 upon 1000 is, here we have one digit in numerator and three zeros in denominator. So firstly we will form three digits in numerator, that is 005. Now we put decimal and here we don't have any value, so we will write 0, that is 0.005. After addition we will get 30.025 and it is our answer. D and E part of this question is your homework. Try to solve. Question number 3. Write the following decimals in the place value table. In this question, we have to write these decimal number in this place value table. After observing the number, we get to know that we have maximum 3 digits to the left and the right of the decimal point. So we write 3 position to the left of the decimal point, that is ones, tens, hundreds, and 3 position to the right of the decimal point, that is tenth, hundredth, and thousand. First number 0.29. Here we have only one digit to the left of the decimal point, so we will write at ones. And 2 digit to the right of the decimal point, so we start from 10th and write 2 at 10th place and 9 at 100th place. Second, 2.08. Here we have one digit to the left of the decimal point, so we write its ones place value, and we have 2 digits to the right of the decimal point, so we write at 0 at 10th and 8 at 100th. Third, 19.60. Here we have 2 digits to the left of the decimal point, so we start from the left side. First we write 9 at ones and 1 at tens. Now we have 2 digits to the right of the decimal point, that is 60. We write 6 at tenth and 0 at 100th. Fourth, 148.32. Here we have 3 digits to the left of the decimal point, so we start from 8. Write 8 at ones, 4 at tenth, and 1 at hundredths. Now we have 2 digits to the right of the decimal point, so we start from 3. 3 at tenth and 2 at hundredth. Fifth, 200.812. Here we have 3 digits to the left of the decimal point, so we start from 0. Write 0 at ones, then 0 at tens, and then 2 at hundreds. Now we have 3 digits to the right of the decimal point, so we start from 8. Write 8 at tenth, 1 at hundreds, and 2 at thousand. Question number 4. Write each of the following as decimal. In this question, we have to convert this expansion form into decimal. First part, 20 plus 9 plus 4 upon 10 plus 1 upon 100. Here we have 20 and 9 as whole part and 4 upon 10 and 1 upon 100 as decimal part. So we will write here 20 plus 9 is 29 plus 4 upon 10 is equals to 0.4. Because we have only one zero in the denominator, so we will write decimal or put decimal after one digit from the right. And plus 1 upon 100 is equals to 0.01. Here we have only one digit at the numerator and in denominator we have 2 0. So firstly we form two digits after adding 0 before the 1. Now 29 plus 0.4 plus 0.01 is equals to 29.41. B part, 137 plus 5 upon 100. 137 as it is plus 5 upon 100 is equals to 0.05. Here we have 2 0 in the denominator but only one digit in the numerator. So firstly we form two digits to the right of the decimal point and then we put 0. And 137 plus 0.05 is equals to 137.05. C part, 7 upon 10 plus 6 upon 100 plus 4 upon 1000. 7 upon 10 is equals to 0.7 plus 6 upon 100 is equals to 0.06 plus 4 upon 1000. Here we have only one digit in the numerator and 3 0 in the denominator. So firstly we will write 4. Now form 3 digit after adding 0 before the 4. Now we put decimal here and now we write 0 here. Here we don't have any whole part, so we write here 0.764. D part, 23 plus 2 upon 10 plus 6 upon 1000. 23 plus 2 upon 10 is equals to 0.2 and 6 upon 1000 is equals to 0.006. After addition, we will get 23.206 plus 5 plus 9 upon 100. 700 plus 20 plus 5 is equals to 725 plus 9 upon 100 is equals to 0.09. And after addition, we will get 725.09. In this question, we have to write this decimal number in word. Children, we know that while reading and writing the decimal number in word, we consider the digit to the left side of the decimal point as whole number, and we consider the digit to the right side of the decimal point as individual digit. First part, 0.03. Here we have 0 to the left side of the decimal point, so we will write here 0, decimal point as point. Now, the digit to the right side of the decimal point we write as individual digit, that is 0, 3. It is our answer. B part, 1.20. Here we have 1 to the left side of the decimal point. Now we write point. Here we have 2 and 0 to the right side of the decimal point. So we write as individual digit, that is 2, 0. That is 1.20. C part, 108.56. Here we have 108 to the left of the decimal point. So we write it as whole number, that is 108. Decimal point represent as point, and the digit to the right side of the decimal point represent as individual digit, that is 5, 6. Answer is 108.56. D part, 10.07. Here we have 10 to the left of the decimal point. Now we represent decimal point as point. Now we write the digit to the right side of the decimal point as 0, 7. So answer is 10.07. E part, 0.032. F part, 5.008. It is your homework, try to solve. Question number 6. Between which two numbers in 10th place on the number line does each of the given number lie? In this question, we have to find the given number lies between which two numbers according to 10th place. For this, we will consider only 10th place. If we have n digit at 10th place, that means the number lies between n and n plus 1. First part, 0.06. Here at 10th place we have 0. That means n is 0, so n plus 1 is 1. So 0.06 lies between 0 and 0.1 in 10th place. B part, 0.45. Here n is equals to 4 at 10th place. So n plus 1 is equals to 5. Therefore 0.45 lies between 0.4 and 0.5 in 10th place. C part, 0.19. Here the value of n according to 10th place is 1. So n plus 1 is equals to 2. Therefore 0.19 lies between 0.1 and 0.2 in 10th place. E part, 0.92. Here the value of n at 10th place is 9. Therefore n plus 1 is equals to 10. But at 10th place it become 1.0. Therefore 0.92 lies between 0.9 and 1.0 in 10th place. Children, D and F part is your homework. Try to understand. Question number 7. Write as fractions in lowest terms. For this, firstly we will convert this decimal number into decimal fraction, and then we will convert it into simplest form. First part, 0.60. Firstly we will write 0.60. Now we will remove decimal. Here we have two digits after the decimal point, so we will write 100. Now it will become 60 divided by 100. Now 0, 0 cancelled. Now it is remaining 6 upon 10. Both numbers are divisible by 2. So we will simplify it. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. That is equals to 3 upon 5. It is the simplest form of 0.60. B part, 0.05. Firstly we will write 0.05. Now we will remove decimal and we have 2 digits after decimal point, so we will write 100. Now it will become 5 divided by 100. Both numbers are divisible by 5, so we will cancel it. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 0, and answer will be 1 upon 20. C part 0.75. Firstly we will write 0.75. Now we will remove decimal and write 100 in the denominator. Now it will become 75 divided by 100. Both number will cancel by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 0. Again, both numbers are divisible by 5. So we will divide it. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. That is equals to 3 upon 4. It is the simplest form of 0.75. Next two part is your homework. Try to solve. F part 0.125. Firstly, we will write 0.125. Here we have 3 digits after the decimal point. So we will remove the decimal and write 1000 in the denominator. Now it will become 125 divided by 1000. Both numbers are divisible by 5. So after simplification we will get 5 to the 10, 5 5 is 25, 5 to the 10, and then 2 zeros are remaining, so we will write 20 as it is. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 0. 5 1s are 5, 5 8s are 40. So answer will be 1 upon 8. G part is your homework. Try to solve. Children, this exercise is over. I hope you all must have understood well. Thank you.